this is a demo of a e-commerce website that I've created in using Django. It's a Django-powered e-commerce platform where multiple vendors can sell, add, and sell items. It is tailored exclusively for South Asian bridal event dresses. This has user registration and authentication, seamless, secure registration and authentication for personalized shopping. You can manage your products with the create, remove, update, and delete functionality. I'll show you right now. So this is a dress right here. You can go to the store here and actually, so this is your store. These are your items for your store, right? This is an order that I have right here. And then you could actually change the description, change the title, you know, delete some stuff here, red dress, and then you could change the price. Let's make this 1 lakh rupees. You could change the picture as well. Here I have here, let me add this picture here. This is not going to make sense, but you know, you have the delete function, so I could submit it, and then it would add that item. So changes have been saved. If I go to the dresses section, that same red dress would show the new picture. I could actually go ahead and add this to my cart and use Stripe to check out. I also have that functionality as well. There's also an admin interface that comes with the Django. You can search for items. You can add them to cart. It's a very responsive website. It just takes a little bit of time to load because it's being served locally on my computer. So that's the price is updated as well. And if I go to checkout, it'll ask for my information, and this information is all validated. It has all that saved there. Flushing 11364. I'm gonna go ahead and check out. Just taking a little bit slower than usual because it's being served locally on my computer, but it's a very robust website, very responsive. If I just enter test@test.com, card information 4242424242, some arbitrary expiration date along with my name here, and I'm currently in the United States. So let me add that here. Boom, United States, zip code 11364, and then pay. And the payment would go through. Obviously, this is a test version, and then it would take me back to my website, and then it would say thank you for shopping with us. Now, because I am a store, I could actually see what orders I have to fulfill. So these are 2 orders, right, for this red dress, and this is the price, 580 rupees. Also, I have yet to fill out the My Account store. This is for customer facing. This right here, the store icon, is if you're a business, you can manage your items on this website. You could even search. So if I search for red dress, it should come up. So it's not coming up, but it should definitely come up. There's also it says red dress here. You could change the price, and then if there's no picture, then it'll just have a placeholder right here. So if I go to admin, and then this is the admin interface where I can change categories, change order items, change order. If I go to orders, I can see whatever orders are there. I can add users. I could add new businesses, delete businesses. So a lot of functionality comes right out of the box with Django, and it's all secured with Django's built-in security and authentication systems. And yeah, I just wanted to show this to you guys today, and let me know if you would like something similar. I would love to work on some projects with anybody who's open, and just try to build my portfolio and try to get a job. Thank you.